a new way to make breakfast. What? It is October 11th today, and it's my birthday today. And the best part about today is that I'm gonna get this thing taken off my arm. Today's the day. I'm gonna get an x-ray, and then next week I'm gonna get the result from the doctor. So in the meantime, I'm gonna wear this exoskeleton thing because they're not gonna put a new splint on me just to see the doctor. I can finally breathe with my arm. I can wash it for the first time. Oh. The doctor is in a few hours, so let's just skip ahead. Whoop. I'm on my way to the x-ray now. It just started to rain. Absolutely pouring down.
Get to making with jive for station. When it hits you, yes, yes, yes.
It's not a good scissor.
Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, yes, yes. When it hits.
I finished the x-ray. My hand felt so weird. Very weird feeling. Just totally useless. Weak. Numb.
You, yes, 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 you shall. When it hits you, yes, 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 you have, yes.
1, 2, 3, do it!
I saw the pictures this time. It didn't look broken anymore, but what do I know? I'm not a doctor. I'll get the real answer on Wednesday. Wow! Wow, det var flott. It's time to wash this disgusting hand. I found a new way to make breakfast. I just missed a new trigger.